Okay, this week, mathematicians, we are working on 2.N.4.2. Remember last week we did 2.N.4.1 and we were putting together coins. We were adding up coins. So this week we're still going to be using our coins, but this time they're going to give us the amount and we have to tell them what the coins are that match it. So if we go to the store to buy a pack of gum that costs 57 cents and you have a whole pocket full of change, you've got to pay in the right amount. So what should you give the clerk, the store person, when you buy it? You want to give her 2 quarters, a nickel, 2 pennies, which equals 57 cents. There's different combinations. You could do 5 dimes, a nickel, and 2 pennies. You could do 10 dimes. Not 10 dimes, 10 nickels. So there's a couple ways to do it, but we're going to do it with the least amount of coins possible, okay? So we have our quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. So if you have your fake money, or you can use real money, if you have your money there, it helps if you use those so you can do it. I'm going to use an online manipulator, which I'll show you in a little bit, where you can go to do that if you don't have the money there to use. So remember, this guy's a quarter, this big one's a quarter. The little tiny one is a dime. It's the smallest. You can remember the dime. It's the smallest letters in it. It's the smallest coin. Nickel, and then the penny. Okay, so 2 quarters. Remember I told you 2 quarters is always 50 cents. 2 dimes, 20 cents. 3 pennies is 3 cents. So all together, 50 plus 20 is 70, and then plus 3. This is 73 cents here. So that's how we make that. That's the least amount of coins we can use to make 73 cents. Okay, so that's what we're doing here, is we're using the least amount of coins to make whatever number they tell us. So the first one, they've told that we're going to use a combination of coins to equal 52 cents. So you can draw them. If you have the coins there, you can use them. Or you can go here. I made my screen a little bit bigger so you can see that. So toytheater.com, and then they have a whole bunch of different manipulatives there that you can use online. So we want to do 52 cents. So I know that 2 quarters is 50 cents. Remember, that's something I told you need to memorize. That 2 quarters is 50 cents. So then I just have 2 left over. So 51, 52. Okay, so that's the least amount of coins we can use to make 52 cents. So do you see what we're doing here? Okay. Okay, so the next one is 39 cents. What is the least amount of coins that you can use to make 39 cents? Pause the video and work on that now. So we have our coins on here. You always want to start with the biggest one, 25. Now I know 2 quarters is 50 cents, so I can't do 2 quarters. So I use the next biggest one, which is 10 cents. So if I do 25, 10 up from 25 is 35. If I do another 10, that's 45. I don't want to do that. So 25, 35. If I do 5, ooh, that's 40. That's too much. So I have to go to the pennies. So I have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Is this what you got? Did you get a quarter, a dime, and 4 pennies? Maybe you got a quarter and 2 nickels and 4 pennies. That's correct, but it's not the least amount of coins. We're trying to use the least amount of coins, okay? Let's try the next one. Okay, the next one's 86 cents. So if you memorize all the values of quarters that I told you to memorize last week, this should be pretty easy. So pause the video, and what is the least amount of coins you can use? Pause the video now. Okay. 25, 50, 75. I told you that 3 quarters is 75. Now this is 86 cents, so we can't put another one in because another one would make it $1. So 75, we go down to the next one. 75 plus 10 is 85. Oh, we're real close. So I know since we're real close, we're just 1 away, I just need a penny. So you should have 3 quarters, a dime, and a penny to have the least amount of coins to make 86 cents. If you don't have these numbers memorized yet, what they are, you've got to get those memorized. Okay, the next one is 77 cents. So what's the least amount of coins you can use to make 77 cents? Pause the video and use the coins that you have, or if you don't have coins, you can go to Toy Theater and use this, or you can draw them. You can draw them circles with the numbers in them, just like they have written here, okay? So pause the video now. Okay, so remember, if you memorize those coins, those quarters like I told you to last week, this will be real easy because I know that 3/4 is 75 cents, and 75 is really close to that. So we have 75, this would be 85, this would be 80, so I know I have to go to the pennies. 75, 76, 77. So 3/4 and 2 pennies are the least amount of coins to make 77 cents. Is that what you got? Let's try one more. Okay, so this one is 23 cents. What's the least amount of coins you can use to make 23 cents? Pause the video and work on that now. Okay, well I know 25 is not going to work. That's too big, so I got to go here. So 10, 20, can't do another one, that'll make it 30. 10, 20, oh, that'll make it 25. I can't do that. So I need to use my pennies. 21, 22, 23. So 2 dimes and 3 pennies is the least amount of coins I could use to make 23 cents. How are you doing on these? All right, let's shift gears a little bit. Okay, so this question's asking us which set of coins adds up to 45 cents. So which is that? So you're going to have to look. Now I know that 2/4 is 50 cents. So I can automatically look at this. 45 cents is less than 50. So I can cross this one out because 2/4 I know is 50 cents. Okay? So look at these and you're going to have to add them up if you don't know them. So pause the video and do that right now. Okay. So 25, 35, 45, 50. Ooh, it's not A. 10, remember you got to skip count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 45. Oh, that adds up to 45. Let's see if they're trying to trick us. We already know that this is 55. 10, 20, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So it is B. Did you get B? Is that what you selected? All right, let's look at this one. Which set of coins adds up to 18 cents? So pause the video and figure that out. Well, I know this one's 25, so I can automatically say that can't be it. So anything with a quarter is not going to work because it's 18 cents. Okay, so we have 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nope, too much. What about this one? 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh, look here. C, is that what you got? Let's look here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, so just C is the only one. Okay, let's look at this one. Oops. Which one adds up to 29? Well, you want to use the least amount possible, right? Let's see. They might try to trick us on this one. They might put in a whole bunch of coins. Let's think about it for a little bit. 29. Well, there's a quarter there. 25, 26, 27, 28. No. That's not going to work. That's not enough. So maybe they use the most amount of coins. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. They used the most amount of coins possible, didn't they? Yeah. So you gotta look at that. Sometimes they try to trick you. Okay, let's look at this one. Sometimes they'll be in words, so you need to memorize what these words are. So, which set of coins add up to 78 cents? So we have 9 nickels, 8 pennies, 6 dimes, 3 nickels, 8 pennies, 7 dimes, 3 pennies, 3/4, 3 pennies. So you need to be able to recognize those words when you see them in a math problem. So pause the video and figure out which one adds up to 78 cents. Did you pause the video and figure it out? What did you figure out? 78 cents. So 3/4, I told you, always equal 75. Then we have 3 pennies, 76, 77, 78. So it's D, 3/4 and 3 pennies. Is that what you got? All right, last one. which set of coins adds up to 48 cents? Okay, look through those. Which one's going to add up to 48 cents? Pause the video and figure that out. Did you get A? 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48. It is A. Is that what you got? Okay, mathematicians, so if you have those coins you can use as manipulatives, use those. If not, you can go to Toy Theater and use those. But this is real easy. We're just kind of building on what we did last week. So get those coins memorized if you haven't yet. Make sure you can skip count by 2. Make sure you can skip count by 10. And make sure you can skip count by 5.